Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Mrs. SD from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is my second video of the revision of chapter first, that is Oliver Finds a Home of class 5 subject English. In the first video I have discussed the story of this chapter, in which we have studied about the Oliver, who is an orphan boy and living in an orphanage, but he was very much ill-treated there, and so he ran away from there, and he reached to a home where two of the ladies take care of him. Both the lady, that is Miss Marley and Rose, help the boy. They take care of him and they give him a very happy life. Here in this video, today I will discuss the question answers or the book exercise of this chapter. Before that, let me show you the story. As you know that in the beginning, when the servant found the Oliver, who was injured, and so the ladies called the doctor for his treatment. Here it is given, here the boy is sleeping and doctor has come and he take care, he gives some treatment medicines, and then they all were talking in another room about the boy, what they have to do. And they decided that if they find the boy is innocent, then they can help him. Otherwise, if they find that he was guilty, then they should hand it over him to the police. So in the evening, when the Oliver woke up, he was very tired, and he was also need to tell his story to both the ladies. And then he told all the story, what happened to him and how he came to their house. With that, both the ladies were moved by the story of Oliver's unhappy lives, and they decided to help him, and they asked their servant not to say anything to the police. After some time, police arrived to their home for the inquiry of the robbery, but the servant told that the robbers were two evil-looking men, and the boy Oliver has just fell down and harmed himself. In this way, they saved the Oliver from the police, and police believed on the servant and left Oliver in peace. Mrs. Marley and Rose took wonderful care of Oliver from onward. In this way, Oliver also found a good teacher for his study. Every morning, Oliver went to an old gentleman who taught him how to read and write. And each night, Oliver slept in a peaceful, clean bed of his own room. In this way, he had spent here 3 months of life very happily in a perfect manner. So this is the story, and now let's see the question answer of this chapter. Here is the first question, the question that is comprehension. The first question is take the correct option. Here 4 options are given, and the correct option we have to take. First question is Mrs. Marley and Rose were. What they were doing? First option is waiting for the police to arrive. Second, having a grand party. Third, waiting for the doctor to arrive. And the fourth, that is discussing on interesting book. So the correct option according to the story is option number C, that is they were waiting for doctor to arrive. so that they get treatment of the Oliver. So the correct option will be C, waiting for the doctor to arrive. Dear student, if you have book, trick it in your book, option number 3. If you don't have book, write down this in your classwork copy. Now, question number 2. Dr. Lossman asks for. The options are, correct options are, first is some medicines, some tea or pies, some warm water and clean sheet, and the fourth one is some clean towel. So the correct answer will be here also option number C is correct. He asked for some warm water and clean sheet. So trick the option third. Question number 3, that is Miss Marley and Roses. What they were doing? Were angry with Oliver. They felt sorry for Oliver. And the third is decided to hand over the police, and the fourth wanted to send Oliver to an orphanage. But here, according to our story, the correct option is they felt sorry for the Oliver when they able to know his story. So here the correct option is option number B, they felt sorry for Oliver. Now the next is, that is question answers. Why were Mrs. Marling and Rose astonished to see the Oliver? This we will do in our next video. So here first we do the question book exercise. So let's see the book exercise, and that is question number D, playing with the word. First the question is, trick the synonyms of the word in capital. It means you have to tick the word which gives equal meaning. Synonyms means equal, having equal meaning. First word is innocent, and the correct meaning, here 3 options are given. We have to choose the correct one. The first option is wise, evil, and the third is blameless. The correct meaning of innocent, it means the equal meaning of innocent will be blameless. So option number C will be correct. Just trick it. Second is intelligent. The second word is intelligent, and the correct options are, here 3 options are given. First one is clever, nasty, and the third is serious. So the correct will be clever. So option number A is correct here. Third option is strength, and the similar meaning of the strength, the words are pride, might, height. So the correct option is option number B, might. Might means powerful or strength. Question number 4, that is pleased, and the options which give similar meanings are warm, weak, and glad, but the correct option will be glad. Question number 5, that is risk, and the options for the similar meaning is plan, journey, and danger. And the risks, the similar meaning of risks is danger. So option number C is correct here. So tick it, option number C. Last, that is question number 6, that is rage, and the options are price, rush, and anger. So the correct option is anger. Here anger is a equal meaning, it has same meaning as rage. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Let me repeat the same question again. Innocent, the similar meaning of innocent is blameless. So option number C will be correct in first one. Second word is intelligent, and the correct option is option number A, that is clever. Third word is strength, and the correct meaning or you can say the similar meaning is might. So option number B is correct here. In question number 4, pleased and the equal meaning, that is glad. Option number C is correct here. In question number 5, risk and the equal meaning is the word danger, that is option number C. And the last, rage and the equal meaning is option number C, that is anger. In this way we have done question number A and D. I hope it is clear to all of you. Please fill your book with the help of this video. So that is all. Children, stay home and stay safe. Bye.